Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about trig functions. So we have sine, cosine, and tangent. So we have sine, cosine, and tangent. And these are ratios of a triangle, so of the sides of a triangle, of a right triangle specifically. So if we have a right triangle like this, and we call this angle theta, then this side across from it is called the opposite side. This long side that's opposite the 90-degree angle is called the hypotenuse. And then the side that's touching the angle that's not the hypotenuse is called the adjacent side. Okay. Now, sine is opposite over adjacent. Or, sorry, opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And then tangent is opposite over adjacent. Now there's a common mnemonic that helps us remember that. So it's SohCahToa. And so SohCahToa, so it's sine opposite hypotenuse. Sine opposite hypotenuse. Cosine adjacent hypotenuse. Tangent opposite adjacent. So you'll definitely want to memorize that little mnemonic. Now, the first part of your homework is going to cover, it's going to give you a right triangle. Oops. It's going to give you some side lengths, and it's going to call it A, B, C. And the directions are going to say, we'll find the sine of angle C, the cosine of angle C, and the tangent of angle C. So all we're doing is using SohCahToa. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, or so. So if we're focused on this angle, the opposite is 3, and the hypotenuse is 5. Now if we're looking at cosine, once again, we're still focused on the same angle, but it's adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent is 4 over the hypotenuse is 5. And for tangent, it's TOA, so it's opposite over adjacent. So we got opposite, which is 3, and adjacent, which is 4. Okay, and that's all it's asking you to do on your homework. So if you need additional help, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.